2018 Toyota Yaris review. The 2018 Toyota Yaris' engaging performance, feature-filled cabin, and excellent safety scores place it in the top third of our subcompact cars. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Ample standard features. Outstanding fuel economy. High quality interior. Poor acceleration. The 2018 Toyota Yaris isn't the most powerful car on the market, but its sharp handling and accurate steering make it a pleasure to drive. It also has some of the best fuel economy estimates in the class. The front-wheel drive Toyota Yaris has a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that puts out an underwhelming 106 horsepower. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard, and a 6-speed automatic is available. With the automatic transmission, the Yaris gets an EP estimated 32 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway, which is great for the class. The engine provides sluggish acceleration, which is especially noticeable on the highway and up steep hills. The manual and automatic transmissions help make up for this lack of power. The manual delivers quick and precise shifts, while the automatic is just as good and comes with a sport mode for better acceleration. The Yaris is no sports car, but it has solid driving dynamics. Its handling is communicative without creating an uncomfortable ride quality. Road noise in the cabin is kept to a minimum, and the steering is well weighted. The hushed cabin of the 2018 Toyota Yaris is made up of quality, soft-touch materials that are often found in higher-priced models. The infotainment system's controls are easy to use and made with the driver in mind. Cargo space is average. The Toyota Yaris has cloth upholstery and manually adjustable front seats that are relatively comfortable and supportive. The rear seats, however, are better left to smaller passengers. The standard tilt and telescoping steering wheel requires drivers to move close to the dash, which could prove uncomfortable for taller drivers. A good number of features come standard in the Yaris, including a rear-view camera, push-button start, 2 USB ports, Bluetooth, a 6-speaker audio system, a 7-inch touchscreen, HD radio, voice recognition, and a low-speed forward collision warning system with brake assist. Navigation is optional. The infotainment system is easy to use, and climate controls are logically arranged. Those who don't care for touchscreen controls will be happy to find a large rotational controller on the console. See 2018 Toyota Yaris specs. The Yaris has a decent amount of cargo space for the class. Trunk capacity is 13.5 cubic feet, which is good for the class. Lowering the 60-40 split folding rear seats further increases cargo capacity. A low lift overheight makes loading heavy items easy. Still, there aren't a lot of small item storage compartments. The Bolt EV has 16.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 56.6 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. The false cargo floor, available in the LT and standard in the Premier, can be raised to create a flat cargo area when the rear seats are down, concealing a small separate storage space underneath.